Today on Crazed Performance Repair, we are going to do a simple headlight change. It's actually a high beam on a 2014 Chevrolet Impala. For seeing what kind of vehicles this applies to, see the description below. Also, there is a difference between a standard and a limited Impala, I guess, in the bulb type, at least according to the parts store. So keep that in mind on your vehicle. If you're First screw you got to take out is right here. It's the only screw you have to take out. Then there's this tab here. You pop that aside, pull this forward, then you have to untwist this guy here, untwist the bulb, pull it out, disconnect it. When you go to put the new bulb in, make absolutely certain you do not touch the filament or the glass, because your fingerprints will cause it to destroy itself. It'll shatter. And then reassemble everything like you took it apart. This part here, make sure you put the back end in first. Well, that was probably one of the quickest videos I've ever made. So, if you like this little bit clip to help you see if you can change your bulb easy enough or not, please like, share, subscribe. And I do videos like this all the time, only usually a little bit longer. And I hope to see you on another video.